Poultry Farm Video English Lines. Introduction. Welcome to our poultry farm. This is a modern poultry breeding farm. Here we raise healthy and high-quality chickens. About breeder chickens. These are breeder chickens. Breeder chickens are used to produce eggs for hatching. We take special care of breeder hens and roosters. Farm environment. Our farm is clean and well managed. Proper ventilation and hygiene are maintained. The chickens are kept in a comfortable environment. Feeding and care. We provide balanced and nutritious feed. Clean water is available at all times. Regular health checkups are done for all birds. Egg production. These hens produce high-quality eggs. Eggs are collected and handled carefully. The eggs are sent for hatching in hatcheries. Management and system. Our farm follows a modern poultry system. We use advanced equipment for better production. Biosecurity measures are strictly followed. Closing lines. This is a complete poultry farming system. Thank you for visiting our poultry farm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.